Don't let your anime binge get interrupted. Let me show you how to easily pay for Crunchyroll using your Google Play account. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into the Google account you want to use for payment. Tap the search bar at the top and type in Crunchyroll. Find the Crunchyroll app in the search results and tap on it. If you don't already have it installed, go ahead and install it now. Otherwise, tap Open to launch the application. Once you're in the Crunchyroll app, look for your profile icon or menu button, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Tap on it. A menu will pop up. Look for the subscription option. Tap on Subscription to manage your Crunchyroll payment method. If you're not already subscribed or need to update your payment method, you should see Google Play Billing as a payment option. Select Google Play Billing as your payment method. A Google Play window will pop up confirming the subscription price and asking for your confirmation. Tap the Subscribe or Confirm button to complete the purchase. You might be prompted to enter your Google account password or use biometric authentication. And that's it. You've successfully paid for Crunchyroll using Google Play. Now you can get back to watching all your favorite anime without interruption.